Hi, have you passed your NCLEX yet? You haven't? Well, I have news for you. Have you sat there and thought about what was going on in your life that changed, that made you not be able to pass the NCLEX? Or you haven't taken it yet because you're scared, afraid, feeling unworthy, feeling like it's not for you, feeling like you just can't do it? Or are you just plain overwhelmed with all the study materials that you're going through and having? Every study material that's out there is not for everybody. You have to pick what's for you. You have to know your content. That's the biggest thing. It's not just about going out here and answering questions after questions after questions because you already been doing school and you got done with school. So now someone's probably telling you just answer questions after questions after questions because you already just been to school and you passed school, nursing school. And that is not true. You have to know your content. Everything that you learned in school, yes, it will play a role, but it's totally different when it comes down to the state. So when you're trying to prove to the state that you're a safe nurse, because that's exactly what you're proving to them to pass your state boards, you are proving to them that you are and can be a safe nurse, and then they will provide you with your license. But if you do not know your content, that is a problem. You have to know your content. You have to get study books that will show you your content of any diseases do not change, they just add something new to the process. So whatever it is, make it fun. Don't just stress yourself out. Nurses need to understand that you have to be able to retain what you're reading. Don't read hours and hours and hours and hours. If you're studying long, you're studying wrong. Nothing's wrong with going and study a little bit and then come back to it. Me personally, when I studied a couple of hours a day. Or even if I did not study by reading a book, I listen to audio. I listen to things in my car. I listen to YouTube videos. I did other things, um, not just read a book, because sometimes your attention span you can get tired of reading and things like that. But you have to understand and ask yourself, after I read this, what did I get out of it? After each chapter, are you also taking notes? To understand, to make yourself break down what you just read, like a quick summary to each chapter, to make yourself understand what you read. And you'll be able to go back to those notes. And I also offer a free planner for you all to help you to write down your content and things to help you to remember. It's in the description box below. I offer it for free. There's no questions asked about anything. Just click the link and get it for free. Okay? So it's plan your nursing journey. I want you all to plan your nursing journey. It's not easy. It's not easy to study, and it's also not easy to be a nurse. Yes, you have your your awarding moments of becoming a nurse, but nursing can also be hard and it can be stressful as well. But at some time, you have to, nothing's just going to come to you. Nursing school didn't just come to you and you was able to just breeze through it. Some people were just able to breeze through it because they could be a bookworm, or they just knew the material as it came to them. Everybody is not the same. Some people really did struggle to keep their GPA up. But I want you to understand that you can do this. I want you to speak positive affirmations into your life. I can, I will, I must do this. I have to do this. What is your why? Ask yourself, what is your why? Is your why your children, a better job, a better home, a better car? And just better savings for you to be able to take care of your family. So at the end of the day, you have to really work hard for your why. you know it's not easy. When you was born, you had to learn how to walk, right? But you had to crawl first. Some people probably did run, but you had to crawl first before you walk. When the first time you rode that bike, you fell so many times before you was able to really get how to learn how to ride the bike. So at the end of the day, I want you guys to understand that no matter how you fall, get back up. Just get back up. Keep getting back up. It's not the end of the world. I want you to understand that this is for you. Your journey is for you, and it will happen. I want you to believe in that and believe in yourself that this can happen. And I come here today, and I'm going to keep coming back to you guys to keep on encouraging you that this can happen. I was on the other side of this video myself, looking at all the comments and everything of other people striving and struggling to say that they want to pass their nursing exam, and I did too. And at the end of the day, I ended up passing mine, and I want to come back to let you understand and encourage you that you can do this too. I'll be back again. I want you to tune in, watch my next video, tune in, click the link below so you all can really get that free planner, okay? I want you all to win. I want you to watch my other videos on my testimony and what I went through. I want you to like, comment, subscribe if you like my channel. I love you guys. Till next video. Bye.